Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here I am back with a new video on how to make PPT. Here for making PPT you must have app of Microsoft PowerPoint. According to my suggestion, this app is very nice and effective. In this we have variety of options of editing, transition, animations to edit pictures and more and more. So here I am going to download this app on Play Store. Just search PowerPoint app on Play Store. Then you will get here option Microsoft PowerPoint app. Instead of open, here it will come install. You have to install it and keep it in your phone and open it. So after doing this, you just click on open. Now here I have made many more presentations earlier also. For making a new presentation, you need to go on this plus sign. Hope you can see this. Here, yes, this plus sign. Click on this. Now you have many more examples of background in your field. So you have to select any of them. Now I am going to just take one which is here. I'm going to take facet. So I'll just click on here. It will come creating and your file will come here. Now you have to give a title and a subtitle. These are your presentations. If you click here, this plus sign, then here your number of PPT plates will increase, pamphlets will increase, number of slides will increase. To increase your slides, you have to click here. First, we will just crop our first one. We have to edit there. For this title and this PPT, I am going to take a title making PPT for YouTube. So I am going to write here PPT making for YouTube. I have my text. I have to put more effects on my headline. So what I'll do, I'll just click here on bold option and italic option. I can even get another color of my text. So to get another color, I'll just click here. Now I will do bold and italic. And here one more option is there, which is just hidden down. This one I hope you can see. This arrow type. If I'll just cross this, then you can see it. Yes, this one. I pressed it for a long time. I hope you can see. I'll just click on here and can increase my size, text size, by just doing here instead of 54, giving another number, and design here. Designs option. So first I'm going to change the design. The most favorite design I want in this is Algerian. This is a very beautiful design. Adding more designs, you can go there only and just changing the size to 72. Now I have bold, italic and color changing option. As you know, I told earlier, this A and underlined one. I'll just go here and choose my color, like I want yellow, green, blue, red, any of the color. Upper options are also there. So I'll just go with blue. So here I am going to write PPT making. Yes, I have written. This is done. I can even now, I will just bring it in center. What to do to bring it center? Click on PPT making, hold it and make it come here. Now in this subtitle you can write your name and class by doing the same method, bold, italic. If you want to change color, you can get it. I changed the color and I'm going to write by channel. I can write my channel's name. Yes, by Radesh Antal. So I have done my channel's name and I can even add emoji by going on my emojis. And in this we can also add emojis. One emoji done. So I have done, and I will just increase the size by going on 18. The actual size was here 18. I just went on this option arrow type. So I just changed the size to, I'll just change the size to 54. Better. No, it's too large, or you can take it's 44. Yes, done. And now I am going to add a picture also. Just go on. So how to add a picture is, you have to go on this option. It will come like here, this option with two mountains and a sun. Yes, you can see here this option. So I'm going to just click on here and this will come images, and I'll go on downloads. If I downloaded, if I want that images should be camera, screenshot, photo editor, picture, any of the app, if you have these folders you can have it. So downloads, and I'll just have any of this, like I want this picture, it's too beautiful. It's of Marina Trench in Gujarat, so I just had it. Now yes, it's covering the name. You have to set it according to your sheet. These are it should not exchange the outlines. It will show you the outlines like red and dotted lines. Yes, it is showing, like you can see. Yes, they are showing. So I can crop also by 3 dots, as you know. Just hold these 3 dots or shift your name that side little, but it's going out. Just click on photo and you can change it. Yes, so just do it small in size and you can bring your name here. Done. And for more options, I'm telling you this time just this one. In another video I'll tell you how to add transitions effects also. In this one I'll just tell you how to bring shadow of your picture. Just click on the picture you want and add a shadow. You'll get an option here, this shadow 2 options. You can click here. So first going on this, it will change into reflection. Yes, you can see here the reflection of this. To small, if you do small it will come on sheet. I'll show you shadow option also. I did here, you can see I did dark. Click. Yes, done. Just click here and it will show you what you want. Perspective I did. I need a perspective shadow also. Reflection and difference between shadow, you know, I hope. Shadow will just give a dark theme and reflection will show like a mirror but translucent. So I did here. In next, so to go on next, you just click on second by simply clicking on this. If you want any other PPT slide template between them, click on this plus option. You can create as much you want. So here I plused many times and I got 7. I'll just go on second and same, I'll give the title name like I gave here. Please subscribe. I'll do bold and italic. Remember, after writing you can't do it bold and italic. You can just do it one formula. Just click on it, simple click. You will get this type of frame. This frame like dot, line, and dot, this type. If you get this type frame, the outline frame, this one, then you can edit. It will select the column in which we have written please subscribe. Click on bold. After you will just click bold and italic. It will automatically come on the screen, bold and italic. It is done. I can even change the color, like I want here red. Yes, it's working. Now I'll just change the size into 96. Now it's coming in down proportion also. You just increase this and 3 dots you can exchange. I hope you understood this, and you can just do it upside down too. Just turn it up. Now I'm going to change this design. You have many more designs as seen. So I'm going to take this one. Better. Something unique, like yes. Done. So next sheet, you can here add double tap also, and whatever text all you want to add, yes, you can do that also, and change the headlines of that part also. Like I give a title here, please subscribe. Down I can write I am a good person, care for pets, care for anything you can write. Thank you and all. Like I wrote here, my sister is kind. My sister is kind, but she shouts a lot. Yeah, so we can write anything here, and if you want to increase its size, same method, click here. If these dots come, bold and italic, color change also you can do. Here I got this color. Now I can even increase the size to 66. Yes, but it's coming out of these outlines, so it will not be visible. To get it into outlines, I'll go on 54. Yes, and this home part I will explain in next video. Till this you have learned this one, it's new thing for you. Now two options also I am going to teach you, this underline and between line. If you click in this underline, the down portion will get underlined. If you click on here, then the middle part, the line will cross between the middle of the digits. Like here I have written good. So if I do on this option, then it will cut like this from middle, and if I do this option, then it will go from down. Yes, so here I have done this. You can do in the same manner more and more. After doing this, you can just save your PPT by you can see your PPT by clicking here this TV option, TV type. If you click here, this will show your PPT. This is the front page. I need to see it from starting. Yes, it will show you like this, front page, and this is second page. I have not created on next pages, so it will show that you have not created. Now you can even use pencil on your you have written or to teach something. This I have done. On this also, if I create, I'll add images like same I told you, the mountain part images. This I added this again, length beg to full page even I can add, but it should, if it shows that these dotted line, it means you must stop here, it is the last side. Yes, and done. I have done this image like this. You can do it many more way. Till now I'll just teach you till here. In next video I am going to tell you to use these more. In next video I am going to tell you just add transitions, animations, and one thing more, how to edit picture, getting this picture in different forms. Like I can tell you an example by just editing it. Yeah, like I got it in this shape or any other shape. If you want, you can get it like here, this type will come. I can get it here in this manner, any manner. I can just crop it to there so that it can come in the sheet. Yes, in this manner. So in next video I will teach you this one. Let's see what PPT you made. This one is the first page, second page, third page, and fourth I have not written anything. You can see here my fourth page is blank. So till here it's enough for today. And how to save it? Now you will just get option here, pick one, just click on this tick part and your PPT will get saved. Done. So here it was for today all. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.